Alright, so the firework mastery is about to be here. About like 3 minutes until it's supposed to. Probably out right now. But I need to hurry up and get the firework gloves, so yeah. Well, as you saw, I finally got I don't want to pronounce it, I'm gonna pronounce it horribly, but crap, how do you spell it? Oh, it's right here, okay. Alchemist. Yep, that's how you say it. Well, apparently you're supposed to find something, then have an oven user put you inside the oven. So let's find it. It looks like a pillow kind of. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yep, that's definitely it. Cake mix.
Let's go.
I finally got the firework glove. I don't really know what it does. Somewhat cool design. Alright, let's see what it does. What the crap was that? Oh, I hit someone. Well, I have to hit 350 players while riding the firework. Surprise attack other players on your times, and while riding the rocket, kill 75 players. All right. Shouldn't be too hard. It goes too fast. Holy crap. Let's see here. Okay, how the crap are you meant to hit people? Wait, the design changed. I just noticed. Wait, what? Okay. Oh yeah, I hit someone. Well, I thought I did. It looked like I did. Go wait for this cooldown. Alright, I had to hit someone. Okay, I killed someone. Yeah. Alright. Here we go. I missed, didn't I?
No! Oh my God! No!
Well, let's do a small montage. For real. Oh crap! I didn't know you can control the rocket without being on it. Oh yeah, I actually counted. I'm surprised.
Victory Royale, yeah, for...
Please tell me that. Let's go. Counts as a kill, right? Yep. This shouldn't really take that long. The hardest part's gonna be hitting people.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Impossible to aim this thing. Dear God, it's all firework. There's so much fireworks. Feel like I'm at a 4th of July party right now. Oh yeah. Another kill. Alright, so I'm gonna like time skip until I have a little bit more progress on this. Well, as you can see, I have a little bit more progress on this mastery. I don't feel like this should take that long.
I don't know.
It really just depends. And I just died. Alright, so this is what you want to do. You want to shoot a rocket, jump on the rocket, then try to aim. And I didn't hit anyone. Okay.
Skip it up.
Yo, cut that out. We don't need that on my image.
Yeah, for...
29 hits, 14 surprise attacks, and 17 kills. The kill one, surprisingly, is not taking that long to finish. I thought it would take way longer. Okay. And I missed completely. Make this rocket more easy to aim. Holy crap, it's hard to aim this. Okay.
My ears burn.
Okay. Okay, man. Oh. Get away from... Oh, never mind. That was a prop. That is just a wonderful shot placement. Okay. Alright, well, let's do another time skip. Alright, well, I just noticed that there's a new glove called Daredevil. Yeah, I didn't really notice that until just now. Is it a badge or a slap glove? Slap. Well, I'm gonna test out this real quick. I guess it is a counter. Don't die. Come here, I need to hit someone. Someone come here. Come here. Someone come here. Oh, dang. I'm guessing, like, the dare is kind of like a counter move. If someone hits you, your glove has become stronger. Since we had that was a small time skip, it wasn't really that long, but, if y'all want to see my progress on the Firework Mastery, here it is. Yep, I know, so much. Yeah. Another time skip. Alright, I'm back after another short time skip. And this is the new progress I've made. Pretty good progress. Alright. There's a pillow for it over there, so I'm gonna try to make it more full for July Eve.
Are you sure?
Wait a second, was that, did I just see Vegeta, bro? Was that Vegeta? First of all, I am Vegeta. Second of all, you're not Vegeta.
Third of all, you wanna be Vegeta, but you can't be Vegeta because I'm Vegeta.
Alright, so, bye, Pirate Clark. Why is there so much cosplayers? There's even one X in here. Look. I'm looking. Hey. Oh, it is Vegeta. Let's go. I'm sorry for what I did to you earlier, man. That wasn't me. That was the old me. What did that dude want to show me? I never got to see. Look at my glove. Yeah, I have the same glove. Pretty cool, I guess. I don't know why my glove keeps changing to a different one, but it looks cooler at least. Bro, I just became 10-10 for Naruto, bro. I got 1 second of screen time, bro. Okay. Pirate Clark took me with him. It's like, if you aim down for something and it just moves out of the way, if you can't like recover from that, you just have to hit it. This firework is so hard to like turn. I don't know what you expected to get from that, but thank you for the master, I guess. And I got killed by Rob. That's why Bob's better. I don't even have Bob. He just took my firework. It's like the 50th time that's happened. Alright, well, I'm sorry to say this, but another time skip. After another somewhat small time skip, I have a lot more progress than I did last time. This is going to take the longest. 25%, while these are more than halfway. Alright. Let's do this.
Oh my God! No!
You didn't see that. What does this generator even do if you hit it? What was that? I don't like your attitude. Okay. Oh, no, that's what the generator does. I have Shopkeeper, I never know what the generator does. I'm guessing it removes the shop icon thing, so they can't sell anything. Get over here. Oh my god. I somehow survived. What are the chances? Well, you know what time of day is. Time skip.